On Yawm al-Qiyamah, on the day of judgment, Allah will say to our father Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, take out all the people that's going to go to hellfire. Listen, Ismail, take all the people that's going to go to hellfire. Adam will say, how many? How many people will go to hellfire? You want to go to Jannah? Let me tell you your odds. So Allah told Adam, take all the people to go to hell. How many? Ismail, listen. Min kulli awfin, from every 1,000, tis'atin wa tis'in. 999 to hell and one to paradise. You didn't hear what I just said. How many people going to hell? Out of every 1,999 will go to hell. The Prophet said that to his companions. You know what they did? They were very sad. Like some of you should be sad right now. So, oh my goodness, 1 out of 1,000, what's my chances? And the Prophet sensed that they felt sad. And then he said this, Wallahi. He said, Wallahi, I swear by Allah in whose hand my life is. Inni arju an takunu nifsa ahli jannah. He said, I hope that you, my ummah, will be half of the people of paradise. Qalu kabarna. They said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. They became very excited. There's some chance now.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.